So here is the Techni Mobili laptop rolling cart. And as you can see, we have a laptop on top of it, which we like to use when we're using this cart. And as you can see underneath, there is a shelf in the middle where you can keep other storage stuff as well. And then also there's a bottom shelf too, which we sometimes keep some stuff down there as also. But there are wheels on each of the legs, and they actually have a locking mechanism. So that is locked, and then this is unlocked, just in case you wanted to keep your cart in place. Now there is a drawer here as well, and we keep various things that we like to live stream with in the drawer too. And so this is just a really nice mobile laptop cart. And you can just see how it's very easy to turn around, and the wheels, even on carpet, are very mobile, I guess you could say. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.